recording.
Huh?
It's recording.
What's recording?
Ah.
Many people?
So far. Hello, everyone. Hi.
Hi.
Aloha.
Aloha.
We'll just give some time for people to get in. Some more people coming in. Hello, everyone. Oh, let's start Instagram. Ah. Instagram on. Okay. Okay, everyone who's here so far, can I just get everyone shaka or wave or something? We're gonna do a quick picture. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Mahalo.
Yeah, everyone's showing their aloha. Give us one of the alohas that you guys know besides regular aloha. I know you guys learned some more from lesson number 2. So, what do you guys remember?
Aloha.
Ina.
Instagram.
Welina.
Yeah, Selena. I'm sure it's Welina. Welina make aloha. Aloha pumehana kākou. Aloha no. Aloha mai kākou. Good job. No, I think it's just typo. Okay, let's get started. Aloha Instagram too. Okay, so aloha mai kākou. Happy, what is it, Thursday. I know we had a different schedule this week. But thank you all for joining us this evening for Papa ʻŌLELO Hawaiʻi. Let me share the screen real fast. Okay, so what's on today's agenda? Okay, so okay, kala iwakalua kumalua o okakupa ahe po'aha keia, and we're talking about ʻŌPaʻa number 4. If you guys did it already, good job. If not, no worries. We're gonna learn a lot tonight. I know ʻŌPaʻa, for those of you who did it, ʻŌPaʻa was a lot. ʻŌPaʻa number 4 was a lot, yeah. So we have a lot to do. Okay, so here's our agenda. Kind of the same as the last 2 classes. We're gonna try and keep this agenda all the time. Oops. Okay, so aloha mai kākou e nā haumana. Welcome to our ʻAʻA LELO virtual Hawaiian language class. Again, o wau o kumakahanuola and
O wau Anui Nui. Student cousin Kathy.
okay.
Ko'ui Noa.
Okay, so in the chat, if you guys can write your answers to Owai Koinoa, Noho Oi Ihea, and Heaha Kau Mele Punahele. So what is your name? Where are you from? Or where do you live now? And what is your favorite song? Okay, I'll wait for some of those answers to come in. Instagram. Sorry, trying to get Instagram to work too, but it's not working. Okay, there. Okay. All right. So I see some of our friends. Oh, we have someone noho I Aotearoa. Someone's joining us all the way from Aotearoa, from New Zealand. Punalu'u.
Nalakuli.
Silver Springs. Oh, that's the song. Wahewa, Kula Maui, Aloha Net, Aloha Kapo. Awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna ask student Hezek Happy. Ovai koinoa?
O anui nui ko'u inoa.
Noho oi I hea?
Noho au I papakolea.
And he aha kau mele punahele. You can just say whatever.
My favorite song is something from Robert Cazarel. Any song he sings. I don't know what song.
Okay, now you can ask me the questions.
O wai koinoa kahanu ola.
That kind of ruins the point. If
Okay,
you go,
okay,
ovai
okay.
koinoa kahanu ola.
Okay, o wai koinoa.
O kahanu ola ko'u inoa.
Noho oi I hea.
Noho au I ke walo uka.
E aha kau mele punahele.
My favorite mele is 1, It's a Beautiful Day in Hawaii, your version. And 2, Dreams by Fleetwood Mac. Okay, so, we forgot our song again. Ready, and go. It's a beautiful day in Hawaii, a beautiful day in Hawaii. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? Would you be my kumu? And please let me be your haumana. Aloha mai kākou. Okay, and then my second favorite song is Dreams. And Ha'oli Po'aha Makivai, Happy Thirsty Thursday. If you didn't see this video yet, then here you go.
Oh,
What? Oh. It's too much.
Cut.
No. She drank the whole bottle.
That's only water. That was just water.
There's children.
That's April. That was water.
Okay, so happy Thirsty Thursday if you're joining us and you have water or whatever you're drinking. Cheers. Okay, let's go over our loina. You wanna say the Hawaiian?
Aloha ke kahi I ke kahi.
Okay, so we'll practice that we'll love one another because we're all ohana. Even though we don't really know each other, we still are one ohana. Papa ʻŌLELO Hawaii.
Ho'ihi aku ho'ihi mai.
Okay, so be respectful on camera and in the chat.
E kulia I ka nu'u.
Strive to be the very best you can be.
ʻAʻa I ka ʻŌLELO mai hilihila.
Okay, dare to speak and don't be shamed in class. Okay? So I know some of you, your cameras are off and that's totally fine. But we're eventually going to breakout rooms and hopefully you can turn your cameras on when we go into breakout rooms. Alrighty. Okay, so our oli, e ho mai, makoko. E ho mai ka ike mai luna mai e. O nā mea huna no eo, o nā mele. E ho mai, e ho mai, e ho mai e a, e ho mai, a ike mai luna mai e. O nā mea huna no eo, o nā mele. E ho mai, e ho mai, e ho mai e a, e ho mai, ka ike mai luna mai e. O nā mea huna no eo, o nā mele. E ho mai, e ho mai, e ho mai e. I'm sure you guys all sound beautiful. Okay, moving on. Before we move on, I'm just going to put all of our links into the chat. So if you need the slides or what else do we have? Slides, our link for next class, our shirts, our Venmo, and our Hawaiian numbers. You can go check those links out. All right, so we're gonna review our mo'oku auhau, e ho'opili mai, mo'oku auhau.
Mo'oku auhau.
Mo'oku auhau meaning our genealogy. Here's how mine goes. Oh, all right.
Aloha mai kākou o kumukanu ola ke ia e ia ku'u mo'oku auhau. O Samuel Kekane o Marilyn Kawahine o Noko Kūlaua a Hānau ia o Samuel Kekane. O Kau'i Kekane o Carrie Kawahine o Noko Kūlaua a Hānau ia o Kaki Kawahine. O Samuel Kekane o Kaki Kawahine o Noko Kūlaua a Hānau ia o o Jonah Kahanua Sorotoni.
Okay, so let's take some time to practice our mo'oku auhau in the chat. If you can just type in your thank you, Kapua. I'll fix that. If you guys can type in your, maybe just your father and mother, and then your name, and then you can put that in the chat, and we'll see that coming in. So the slides are private. Let me go fix that real fast.
So they could see the slide.
Yeah, but I can change it. Okay, and of course, I'm going to ask for some volunteers. So if someone wants to volunteer, I'll ask that in like 1 minute. And if not, then I'm just going to pick someone. Sorry about it. Okay, while we wait for theirs to come in, you want to see your mo'oku auhau, just your parents.
O Kau'i Kekane, o Carrie Kawahine, o Noho Pulawa a Hanau Ia'au, o au o Anuenui Hewahine.
Okay. Anyone want to volunteer? You can just raise your hand and we'll see you're volunteering, or you can type in. Okay, Lorna, you can turn on your mic.
Aloha kumu. Okay, I'll try mo'oku auhau. O John Kekane, o Becky Kawahine, ua noho pulawa a Hanau Ia'au. Oh, I cannot see the bottom.
Oh.
O Lorna Hewahine.
Good job. Okay, we have a paʻi lima, everyone. Okay, anyone else want to volunteer? Mililani, aloha to Mililani.
Aloha mai. O Eusebio Kekane, o Charlotte Nune Kawahine, ua noho pulawa a Hanau Ia'au. O au o Mililani Hewahine.
Yeah, ka'iloa. And let's get one more. Anyone? Okay, oh, Emilia. Hey, aloha, Emilia.
Aloha. O Neftali Kekane, o Marilena Kawahine, ua nohopu laua a hauna, Ia'au, o au o Emilia Hewahine.
Yeah, mahalo. Thank you. And Emilia is joining us all the way from Miami, and it's 12:30. So thank you for joining us. Okay. We're gonna continue on with our ohana, just a quick ho'oma'ama or practice, and that is learning about our siblings. So in Hawaiian, there's 4 different terms for our siblings, and you're gonna repeat after me at home and sitting kapi, and then Instagram you can repeat too. So first one, e ho'opili mai, kaikua ana.
Kaikua ana.
Okay, so your kaikua ana is your older sibling of the same gender. So if you're a girl or a female, then your older sister. If you're a male, then your older brother. Okay. Next we have e ho'opili mai, kaikaina.
Kaikaina.
Okay, so that is your younger sibling of the same gender. So same thing. Our third one is e ho'opili mai, kaikuahine.
Kaikuahine.
And that is a sister of a boy. So only boys can have kaikuahines, or only males can have kaikuahines. And then the last one, e ho'opili mai kaikunane.
Kaikunane.
And that is a brother of a girl. Okay. So in the chat, we're gonna have you guys answer or type the different siblings that you have. And there's really no way that you can do all the siblings at once. So we're just gonna go individually. So if you have one older brother, one one sister, then just type your names like that. Okay, so here's the way you can type it, kind of like how we say our parents or our kupuna. You would say o name, ko'u, whatever, kaikua'ana, kaikaina, kaikuahine. If you had two, then o name, lawa o name, ko'u mau. And if you had three or more, you would say name, ame, ko'u mau, and then whatever. Okay, I know it's kind of tricky, but that's why we kind of had it listed out for you folks like this. Okay, so if we can get your answers in the chat, good. And if you have more, remember, you can just type another line. You know, Jasmine, ko'u kaikaina, o Liz, ko'u kaikaina, o Ken Lau, o Spencer, ko'u mau kaikunane, good. O Safira, ko'u kaikaina. Yeah, yes.
I have a quick question. If you have 3 siblings, but let's say 2 of them are girls and one's a boy, what do you put for the term?
Okay, so you're gonna do them, list them individually. So you would just say the 2 girls first, and then you would say your brother as a kaikunane.
Thank you.
Yeah, no worries. Okay. Oh, yeah. Any other questions with siblings? April, it's April.
How do you say the twins?
Oh, twins?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So you can say the word would be mahoi, M-A, let me type that in the chat for you guys. So you would just say, so what is the twin's name? Or is it your twin or?
My twin.
Aloha.
No.
So you can say, o name, ko'u mahoi. So my twin is name.
Okay.
Okay.
Mahalo.
Mahalo. All right. So we see the chats coming in. Instagram, if you want to join, you can too. So I'm going to ask, this is student cousin Cappy. This one right here in, I don't know what year this was. In the little black dress. So I'm
green, hunter green.
Hunter green, whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna ask her, Owai ko mau kaikua'ana.
O napua a me kau'i. Oh, what?
Lawa o.
Oh, okay. O napua lawa o kau'i mau.
Ko'u.
Ko'u mau kaikua'ana.
Good job. Okay, anyone in the Zoom want to answer the questions or say their siblings' names? I might just call on someone. Okay, I'm gonna call on Sky.
Aloha mai kākou, o kanoi lawa o tiana ko'u mau kaikua'ana.
Okay, I'll give you one more. Let's go with Tiffany.
Aloha.
Aloha.
O Terry, lawa o Nikki ko'u mau kaikaina.
Okay, thank you. Mahalo. We had a question if you didn't have a sibling, so you would just say ʻaʻohe, o'u. You can say poki. That's what I just typed in the chat. So I don't have any younger siblings or older siblings. If anyone didn't have. All right. So let's move on to today's lesson. We have a lot to do. So today's lesson, Ha'awina, is going to be about Nā Helu. I hope you mind Nā Helu.
Nā Helu.
And that's about numbers. So I know maybe in elementary or middle school, you may have learned up to how to count to 10 in Hawaiian. We're gonna try and get to 100 today, but I don't think that's gonna happen because we have 40 minutes. So we'll see how far we can go, okay? The ʻŌLELO no ʻEAʻo that we chose to go with this lesson was Pupu kahi I holomua, which means unite in order to progress. And I think that's a good ʻŌLELO no ʻEAʻo for everyone to learn and everyone to remember. So maybe in the chat, we can get some answers. What does this ʻŌLELO no ʻEAʻo mean to you? Do you wanna take a stab at it?
To order to progress. Like everybody working together.
Yep.
Like lokahi.
Like lokahi, yep. So
many hands gets the job done.
Exactly. Oh,
right?
You studied.
Yeah, I studied.
Okay. So that works. Or as a ohana, you know, we all need to do our part or fulfill our kuleana as a ohana, and we can all progress together. Okay. Some of the answers: it takes a village, stay together to move forward, help everyone move forward. You know, you guys got it. Strong in numbers. There you go. Hey, mahalo. It's a good ʻŌLELO no ʻEAʻo to remember. All right, so let's get into our numbers. Who, by raise of hands, who already knows how to count from 0 to 10 in Hawaiian? Okay, pretty much everyone. That's good. For those of you who don't, this is just kind of a basic introduction. But I'm gonna actually call on some people. If you can, I'm gonna point to the box, however many circles there are, and you're gonna say what number it is. Okay? So let's start with Carly. If you can give us the number for this box.
ʻEono.
ʻEono, yep. So 6 is ʻEono. Good job. Okay, next we have this blank box right here. Let's have Pamela.
Ole.
Ole, good. Ole is 0. Okay, our next one, we have Haley. If you can do this next box right here.
ʻEha.
ʻEha, good, is 4. For those of you who already do this on the drag and drop, you know it's kind of hard, yeah. It's hard to pick up. Next, we have Deborah.
ʻElima.
ʻElima is 5, good. Student cousin Cappy, you can do this one. Today, hurry up, hurry up.
Ava.
Ava is 9, good. Next one I can do, and that is Elua is 2. Of course, I gave you the hard one, sorry. Okay, we have 10, and we have Akiko.
Umi.
Umi, mahalo Akiko. Okay, let's have the Kama Ohana, if you can do this one.
Ehiku.
Good job.
Good
Ehiku,
job.
7. Kahiao, if you can do the next block. Let me show the screen so they can see. Sorry, Instagram.
Kahi.
Kahi. Kahi. Oh, am I missing one? Oh, no, I'm not. Okay, our next one, let's have Anuhea. Or Anuhea Strickland. Evalu. Good, and that leaves Ekolu. Okay, so those are 0 through 10, Mako ʻŌLELO Hawaiʻi. And let's just go through it. We'll count all together. Hopefully you guys, I mean, most of you know how to count from 0 to 10, so
Shall
just follow along. Okay, let's just count first and then we can see.
Okay.
All right. Okay. So let's go with our hands. It's good. We can practice. Okay. So starting with ole, oya, ole, e kahi, e lua, e kolu, e ha, e lima, e ono, e hiku, e walu, e iwa, umi. Okay. And then now student comes happy wants to sing.
E kahi, e lua, e kolu popo ki e ha, e lima, e ono popo ki e hiku, e walu, Eva popo ki umi popo ki liʻiliʻi.
Fun. Okay. Alrighty, so those are the easy ones. Now we're gonna go into a little bit harder. That's 10 through 19. Okay, so when we wanna add a second number that's not one of the whole numbers, we're going to add kuma in between. E hoʻopili mai, kuma.
Kuma.
Okay, so kuma could be like a plus sign. We also consider it as stands with. The phone. Okay, so stands with. So if it was 11, you could say 10 plus 1, or 10 stands with 1. Okay, so maybe we won't do the drag and drop this time, but let's just go through it together. And in the chat, if you can answer, what is the Hawaiian word for 11? Okay, we'll give you 5 seconds. Oh, someone heard kanani. Good job. Hey, hi Cody and Katie. Sorry, I never even seen you guys there. Okay, Don, if you can give us your answer for 11. We're not gonna go through each one because that takes 100 years.
Umikumakahi.
Umikumakahi, good job. So that's 10 plus 1, umikumakahi. Let's try 15, 10 plus 5. Kelani, Kanani, good job. Anuhea, Haley. This is probably child's play for y'all, but it's always good to review. Okay. Oh, can we have our friends Cody and Katie? Can you guys say your answer for 15? And Instagram too. Sorry. One more time. Good job. Okay. And then let's try our last one. Let's do 16. Yep, we got it. If you need to count on your hands, like student on the capi, then go right ahead. Okay, so what is 16?
Kumi kumaono.
Okay, good job. All right. Okay, well, we pretty much did the same thing, so we'll skip this slide. And then we're gonna get into a little bit harder. So this is everything past 19. I think 10 through 20 is pretty easy, but when you get to these bigger numbers, all you gotta remember is like a simple pattern, and that is 20 is iwa kālua, e hoʻopili mai, iwa kālua.
Iwa kālua.
That is 20, and then everything after that, you're gonna say kana, and then the hua haku helu, which is, if it's 30, you'll say kana kolu, 40, kana ha. It's pretty self-explanatory, so on and so forth, okay? So what is 70?
Kana hiku.
Good. What is 50?
Kana lima.
Okay. And then the two other numbers that are there that's not in the 10th place, I guess, is first one, e hoʻopili mai, hoʻokahi haneli.
Hoʻokahi haneli.
And that is 100, hoʻokahi haneli. And then elua haneli.
Elua haneli.
That is 200. Okay.
So if I wanted to say 65.
65, yeah. I think we're gonna do a little example on that. So okay. 65 would be 60 plus 5. So you can take this slide, you'll have kana ono plus what?
Kana, what do you mean?
What is 60 plus 5? So kana ono.
65. Kana ono, kuma, lima.
Lima, good. Okay, so let's do some of these sample ones. 86, can we get your answer in the chat? 86.
No.
Don't cheat. Okay, Instagram, 86. What is that in Hawaiian? Good job. Can we have Kaylee and Melissa, if you can read your answer?
Kanavalu kumaono.
Kanavalu kumaono, maikai. Okay, and let's try 39. 39. And that's going to be you, Kapo. I see you. You can answer. Yeah. Good job. Kanakolu kumaiwa. Okay? You guys got it. This is just a review, but again, it's always good to review. All right, so we're going to get into our first question, and that is everyone's favorite question. E ho'opili mai, e hia o makahiki.
E hia o makahiki.
Okay, e hia o makahiki, meaning how old are you? Okay, and then to answer, you would say he, put in the number. So maybe if you guys want to go translate your number, your age right now, you can do that. So he age o makahiki. Okay, so I am 28 years old, so I would say he iwakalua kumalua o makahiki. Student Kapi is 96, so she would say, nah, just kidding. If you're comfortable sharing your age, you can.
Kana ono kuma kahi o makahiki.
A very young 61.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Everyone's answering already. So my ka'iloa, I'll probably call on a few of you to say your answer that you typed. But I'll wait. I'll give you guys like 10 seconds. And if you're ashamed of or if you don't want to tell your age, you can make up a number. 21 is always a good number. No one's judging. Okay. So I'm gonna ask Erika, e hia o makahiki?
He kanakolu kumakolu o makahiki.
Okay. Let's have, if you don't mind, oh shoot, sorry. Lena Ala, we're the same age, so e hia o makahiki.
He iwakalua kumavalu o makahiki.
Okay, good. And let's get one more. Kapua, e hia o makahiki.
He iwakalua kumahiku o makahiki.
Mahalo. Okay, I know that's not a good question to ask, but sorry, it's part of the lesson. Okay. So let's do some samples. I think we have some samples. You guys are ready? Jumped ahead. You typed your answer already, so good job. But let's do some translations in the chat. So typing your answer too, and you guys on Instagram too. He umikumalua o makahiki. What would that mean in English? He umikumalua o makahiki. If you guys, maybe you can put your chat on private so only I can see it. Because then if you guys type the answer, then everyone will see it. So it's kind of cheating. Yeah, we're cheaters. Okay. Mahalo. Yep. So what would that mean? He umikumalua o makahiki.
I am 12 years old.
Yes, you are. Okay, next. He ho'okahi haneli o makahiki. Type our answer in the chat. Good. I know they're fast. I'm gonna ask He Lani, what did you type, or what is your answer for that answer?
I'm 100 years old.
Yep, I'm 100 years old. And then we'll try a harder one from English to Hawaiian. I am 55 years old. What is that? So use the same pattern. Close, Malia, you just have 50. Try again. Good, Tiffany. Good, Kailia. Auntie, good, Erika. Yeah.
You're doing privately and you tell me you made a mistake.
Oh, sorry. When I correct you, it's out of Aloha, yeah? Okay, sorry. Okay, I'm gonna ask Solana, can you give us your answer?
He kana lima o'u makahiki.
Okay, good job. You're just missing the kuma. So the kuma would go in between the limas.
Okay.
So you want to try again?
He kuma.
He kana lima kuma.
Oh, okay. He kana lima kuma lima makahiki.
Yep. Oh, makahiki. Okay, good job. Thank you. Okay, so let's move away from that hard subject of age, because we're all getting older no matter what we try to do. We're all gonna just keep getting older. And let's move to our birthday. Okay, so the first thing that you're gonna need to know for your birthday are the mahina. Mahina.
Mahina.
What does mahina mean?
The moon?
No, it means month.
Oh, the months.
It's literally right here.
Oh.
So mahina means month. It does mean moon too, so you were right. But we're just gonna go through all of the months. I'll just say them and you can repeat after me.
Okay.
So mai, Januari.
Januari.
Okay, Januari sounds like the month that it's named after, so January.
January.
Okay, then you have Pepeluali. That's wrong. Pepeluali.
Pepeluali.
And that's February. Sorry, wrong spelling. Okay. Our next one is Malaki.
Malaki.
That is March. Apelila.
Apelila.
April. May.
May.
Easy, May. Yune.
Yune.
June. July.
July.
You're a liar. No, July. Aukake.
Aukake.
August. Kepa Kemapa. You guys can repeat too.
Kepa Kemaka.
No.
Wait. Kepa Kemapa.
Okay. September. Okakopa.
Okakopa.
October. Novemapa.
Novemapa.
Is November. And Kekemapa.
Kekemapa.
Is December. Okay. So when all the W's you see, we usually pronounce it, I think there's only one. So Novemapa, we usually go with a V. So Novemapa. Okay. If you can all type what month you're born in the chat, you can do that privately. Okay, we have Januari, May, Novemapa, all over the place. Good. You guys got them. Okay, and the second part to the question is the day you were born. So if you can also type in what the day is in Hawaiian. So mine would be Eiva, because I'm born on May 9th. Yours would be?
6. Eono.
Eono. Okay. Good. So you have those pieces of information. We're just going to fill them into the blanks on this next slide. You want to show the screen to the?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, I jumped ahead of myself. Okay, so you type in your month and your day. All right, so our question is, Okala ehia.
Okala ehia.
Ko lahano.
Ko lahano.
Okay, so what day is your birthday, or when is your birthday? Okay, and to fill in your answer, you would say Okala number, o month, ko lahano. Okay, good job. So my answer, you want to ask me?
Okala ehia ko lahanau hanuola.
Okala eiva o May ko lahanau. My birthday is the 9th of May, or May 9th. Okay, Okala ehia ko lahanau.
Okala e ono o July ko lahanau.
Okay, good job. The answers are coming in. I'm gonna call on a few of you, starting with Auntie Kailia.
Hello, my Okala umi kumakolu o kekemapa ko'ulahano.
Okay, let's do one more. Our friend Kabag Bag.
Hey, Kabag Bag.
Aloha. Okala iwa ka lua kumaiwa o me ko'ula hanau.
Okay, good job. And one more. Annette, can you give us your answer to Okala ehia ko lahanau?
Okala umi kumahiku o me
koula hanau.
Okay, Maikai. So yeah, the answers are coming in. Good job. Let's do some samples in the chat. With starting with okala umi o okakopa ko'ula hanau. What does that translate to? And don't worry, I hope no one's gonna steal your information for credit card fraud or anything. So we didn't give the year, so I don't think anything will happen. The year is a whole nother ball game, so we're just gonna keep that out for now. Okay, good. Kara, can you read your answer to okala umi o okakopa ko'ula hanau? Kara Sawai.
O kala e hiku o pepeluali ko'ula hanau.
Oh, okay, so that's your birthday.
Sorry.
Can you the answer to this?
Oh, sorry.
No, you're good.
My birthday is October 10th.
Good job. Okay, okala kanakolu o yulai ko'ula hanau. What is that? Good job, Malie. I'll probably call you next. So, Malie, what is your answer to that? Sorry, I'm going so fast, but I don't realize. Okay. Malie, Sarah.
Kalamai.
Nope.
My birthday is July 30.
Good job. Okay, and our last one. My birthday is on Christmas, the 25th of December. Good, y'all are so fast. Probably gonna call on Renee next. If you can answer, please. Renee, there you go.
O kala iwa kalua kumalima o kekemapa o umakahiki. Oh, ko'ula hanau.
There you go.
Yay!
Okay, mahalo. Okay, do we have time for this? I think we do. Okay, so everyone's answer is going to be the same for this next question because it's asking okala ehia keia.
Okala ehia keia.
What is today's date? Okay, so okala number or month keia la. That is your answer. And today is the 22nd of October. So let's see what you guys get for this answer in Hawaiian. Okala ehia keia. What is today's date? They get them. They got it. I don't even have to teach them. They got it. Y'all are good. I'm probably going to ask Kekoa Nui Ohana if you can try your answer for us. So, okala ehia keia. Kekoa Nui. Okay, maybe we'll try someone else. Mariko or Mariko?
Sure. Okala iwa kalua kumalua o okakopa keala.
Good job.
Wow.
Okay, so yeah, everyone had that same answer. I'm actually gonna do this real fast for you guys. Maybe if you guys want to screenshot this page for the months, I'll let you guys do that. I'll give you 10 seconds, and then you can have it for later on. Yeah, it's on the, oh yeah, you have the link too. Kapua, does the link work now? Okay. Okay, there we go. And I think, oh, you know what? We're gonna skip time. Sorry, you can look at the lesson for that. So we can get into our breakout rooms. So what we're gonna do in our breakout rooms, I'm gonna split you guys up randomly, and then you're gonna take turns asking and answering the questions. So maybe I'll start off, I'll ask student cousin Cappy, I would say, ehia o makahiki, okala ehia ko la hanau, and then okala ehia keia. So those three questions, okay? which I'll type in the chat for you guys. And then you'll just take a turns round. Person 1 goes, then person 2, then person 3. You're gonna facilitate yourself because I cannot be in every room. And then just be positive and cheer each other on when they answer the correct question.
So somebody has to facilitate first.
Yeah, so whoever wants to start off, you guys go. We're all adults. You can choose, and then the next person can move on and continue on, okay?
And you're gonna have a little bit more time.
Yeah, we'll give you guys a lot more time than last class. So you're gonna do these 3 questions. If you guys wanna screenshot this or follow along, that might help. I'll actually put it in the chat too. We're gonna do actually one more thing. We're gonna practice counting by 2s, by 5s, and by 10s. I don't know how you're gonna do that. Just figure it out. Sorry.
So give us an example, because
okay,
they might
so
not know.
let's go together. So let's count by 2s. Elua.
Elua.
No. Elua.
Elua?
No.
Oh, okay.
What's the next 2 number?
Eha.
Eono.
Evalu.
Umi.
Umi kuma lua.
Like that, okay? All right, so let's open up our breakout rooms. We're just gonna be random, so introduce yourself,
minutes?
say
How
hi.
many minutes?
Let's do 10 minutes for now, and then should be my kai. Okay, 10 rooms, automatic. There you go. Opening. See you guys in a little bit. I'll come join some of your rooms, probably not all of them. And y'all on Instagram have your own room. Hi, everyone on Instagram. Am I charged? I didn't even know. Don't end it. Oh.
Sorry.
Sorry, y'all.
O Lorna ko'u inoa.
O Solana ko'u inoa.
I guess we count by 2s.
Okay.
Elua.
Elua. Eha.
Eono.
Evalu.
Umi.
Umi kuma lua.
Umi kuma kumaha. Umi kumaha.
Umi kuma ono.
Umi kuma valu.
Iwakalua.
Maybe you guys can do the 5s now.
Elima.
Umi.
You got that one.
Oh, shucks.
Auntie, I sent you a link with the numbers. I think it has all the numbers to 100 or maybe 30. That might help you.
Which link? But tell her.
The Hawaiian numbers.
I don't know how to get it.
Oh, okay, no worries.
Okay, where we stay, what number?
We're on Umi now. So the next one would be 15.
15.
Okay. Or maybe if you guys can help her out.
Umi kumalima.
Oh, there you go. Good job.
Eva kalua.
Good. Yeah, I'm gonna jump to another room. I'll see you guys in a little bit.
How old?
Hi, Kumu.
Aloha. How you guys doing? You guys still on the numbers? Oh.
Yeah.
In the questions.
Oh, the questions. Okay.
Yeah. Ehia o makahiki. He hana ha kuma lima o'u makahiki. O ka lā ʻehia ko la hanau. When is your birthday? O ka lā ʻumikumalua o ke pakemapa o'u la hanau. O ka lā ʻehia keia. What is the date?
Yeah.
Today. O ka lā ʻiwakalua kumalua o Okakopa keia. Keia.
Good job. Yeah.
O ka hola ʻehia keia.
Oh, we skipped that, but if you want to still do that.
Oh, we skipped. Is that the one that I just did?
Yeah, time.
Oh.
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
Yeah, you can do another one.
Okay. Oh, that's right. Yay. Okay.
Okay. Mahalo.
Okay.
Ai,
Hiki a oi ke ho'olehi a'u.
Yep, hiki no.
Mai kai, hiki no. Okay. E hio o makahiki. Kanalima kumalua o makahiki. O ka lā e hia ko la hanau. O ka lā e ono o iune. Ko o la hanau. O ka lā e hia kia o iwakalua kumalua o Okakopa keia.
Yeah. Good job. Good. I'm gonna go to another room. I'll see you guys in a little bit.
Okay. Leo.
Bye.
Mapa iwakalua kumaha.
O ka lā e hia ke ia.
I ka ia la ka poaha.
Mai kai.
Okay. Hannah, e hia o makahiki?
He iwakalua kumavalu o'u makahiki.
O ka lā e hia ko la hanau?
O ka lā ʻumikumawalu o iolai ko'u la hanau.
Yeah.
O ka lā e hia ke ia?
O ka lā iwakalua kumalua o Okakopa keia la.
Ai, mai kai loa.
Hey, Loa.
I just keep coming back. But I'm back now. My son is in Kaiapuni or Waiao. So
We finished already, Kumu. We're talking story.
Okay, cool. Mahalo. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna go check on another group. We'll see you guys in like 4 or 5 minutes.
Okay.
Aloha.
Aloha.
How far?
We're gonna keep going. Okay,
Cool.
so
How high do you want us to
Iwakalua.
count to?
Oh, I was just thinking like 30, but however.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we still got a lot to go then.
You guys did the your names already or the questions?
Yeah, there was only 3 of us, so we're just now counting in even numbers.
Yeah, the other group is just talking stories. So. Okay, shoot. I'll go check one more group and then maybe I'll let you guys back in.
Mahalo.
Kanalima, that's 55, right?
Oh, everyone.
Yeah.
20.
Kanalima.
Oh, 45, right?
No, Lima is
Kanalima.
5. Yeah.
Kanalima.
Kanalima kumali.
Kanalima is 50.
Yeah.
Right?
Yep.
Am I right?
Okay.
Kanalima. Kumalima. Yeah. Okay.
You guys just check in. You guys did your questions already?
We're
Still.
still. We didn't do all the questions, but
okay.
Yeah.
No
We're
worries.
just going over the age.
Sounds good. Maybe I'll give you guys like 2 more minutes. Then.
Okay.
Mahalo.
Mahalo.
Okay, let's see.
10.
What do you want to ask next?
Talking story.
Houston.
Houston.
Oh.
Nice.
Where you guys at?
Oh, we
Oh,
finished it all.
It's Paul. Okay, just talking story.
Yeah.
Sounds good. I'll give you guys like 1 more minute then. and then I'll
Okay.
put it back in. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah,
Awesome.
I love you guys do your Hawaiian pretty much, so you guys got them already, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
Awesome. Mahalo.
Hello.
How's the
We lost reception.
Kumu, I think you're muted.
Hello, Mike. We were just saying that the time went by so fast. It's already 7:30. But I think we still have some time for anyone who wants to try. So on the mic. Okay. I think we're waiting for a few more people to come back in. But while we're waiting, if anyone wants to try in front of the whole class answering those questions, can you write ahiki ya'u in the chat? Huh? No. Yeah, I do. Okay. Good job. Okay. All right. Okay, so we're gonna start with Helani. Oh no. Oh, sorry. We're gonna start with Pamela. If you can read your answers, please, or I'll say the question and you can answer.
Yes.
Aloha, Pamela.
Aloha.
So, ehia o makahiki.
He iwakalua kumakahi o makahiki.
O ka la ehia ko la hanau.
O ka la iwakalua kumakahi o mei ko'u la hanau.
Okay. O ka la ehia ke ia.
O ka la iwakalua kumakolu o ka kopa ke ia la.
Okay. Because you're in Mexico, you're one day ahead.
Yes.
Good job. Okay. Let's have maybe one more. Good job, everyone. Auntie Lorna, if you can turn on your mic.
Okay.
Aloha.
Aloha.
Ehia o makahiki. Sorry for asking, but ehia o makahiki.
That's okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
He kanalima kumavalu o makahiki.
O ka la ehia ko la hanau.
O ka la e kolu o kepa ke mapa ko la hanau.
And o ka la ehia ke ia.
O ka la iwakalua kumalua he ia ke ia.
Okay, Ka'i. Thank you.
Thank you.
And our last one, I'm gonna have Kanani, if you can turn on your mic. Aloha, Kanani.
Aloha.
Ehia o makahiki?
He kanaha kumaha o makahiki.
O ka la ehia ko la hanau.
O ka la umikumawalu o Ianuali ko'u la hanau.
O ka la ehia ke ia.
O ka la iwakalua kumalua o ka kopa ke ia la.
Okay. Thank you.
Mahalo.
Mahalo. Someone's going to go on. I don't know, but it's okay. Oh. Okay, so I think we're at the end of class. We just want to mahalo again, a few mahalos to Lehua Porter, who wasn't here tonight, but she donated our prizes from last week. So we drove to Ke'ala's house. Kabagbag's house, and Le'a's house, who's my neighbor, and deliver the prizes to them. And then this week we have some prizes from Island Heritage. We have a shirt, a print, and a bag. We have our model will show us off. Show it off. Yeah, this is from Island Heritage. So the prizes, we're just gonna choose everyone who came tonight. We're just gonna randomly pick them after class, and then we'll email you if you want. Okay.
Nice.
Okay. Oh, you wanna show?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then this print, and then a shirt too.
And then a shirt. Who is this from?
Island Heritage.
Island Heritage.
Okay. A big shirt, but you can sleep in it. I don't know.
Mahalo.
Okay, so mahalo nui loa o ko pakahia pau. Thanks for joining us. Our next meeting is going to be next week, Tuesday. We're going to move back to Tuesday for next week, the 27th. So you guys, I'll send you the link one more time. If you guys want to register now, you can do that. And same time, 6:30. And then, yeah, if anyone has any questions, you guys can stay behind. Or if you want to practice some more, you can stay behind. Other than that, paka papa. Paka papa. Paka papa. Paka papa. Paka papa. Ahui ho.
Ahui ho, aloha.
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 So those of you who want to go, ahui ho. If not, you can stay.
Mahalo nui. Ahui ho.
Ahui ho. Ahui ho.
Ahui ho.
Yeah, sorry. Okay, Sequoia, hi.
Hi, I was just gonna ask, so classes are not gonna be every Thursday, it was just today was the exception?
Yeah, just because I had a gig on Tuesday, so, but the week after, since it's election day, we might change it too. So I'll let you guys know. I forgot, it's Tuesday is election day, yeah. So, kalamai, I'll let you guys know though.
Okay, mahalo.
Sessions is okay.
How did the breakout rooms go, those of you? Were they better this time?
Too long?
Too long, maybe? No?
No, it was good.
It was good. You guys got to talk story, yeah?
Yeah, it was good.
Okay. Anyone want to say or anyone had questions or want to say their stuff?
Where can you find a video where you sing the numbers?
Oh, yes.
Because I'm having trouble memorizing just from 1 to 10.
Yeah. You know what? We'll make a video for you guys and we'll post it on the Google Classroom. That might be, maybe that'll be your makana this week because I didn't make a makana yet. So
that would be great.
Okay, sounds good. Kapo?
Oh, Kumu.
Yeah.
Kumu. My shirt arrived. It's really nice, you know.
Oh yeah, I never got mine yet. So are you wearing it? Oh, there you go.
Oh wow.
Oh, beautiful. Yeah, we were gonna end it in October, but I think we're gonna continue it for November for like a mahalo.
Well, the color is so nice, and it's like it's super soft. I love it. Mahalo.
Mahalo, thank you. Glad you liked it.
Does it run true to size? Like you got the size that you always wear?
This is a medium, and I'm like, it's a little roomy. I mean, I could do a small, but I like them roomy.
I gotta go and get one.
Yeah, they're so comfy. I love it.
And it came pretty fast, yeah, maybe like a week or something.
Yeah, the post office lost a batch of them, but they followed up really quickly, and then it came the next day. But we were kind of worried because the post office lost it, right? So like it's gone. It's just gone. Like there's not much you can do. But they called the post office and they got it straightened out, and the package came the next day.
Oh God.
Right. Yeah.
No, that's good to know. Thanks for letting me know. I'll go check.
Yeah.
Popo, I know you had a question. Follow me. Oh, you good? Okay. Okay. She said no more. Anyone else want to chant or not chant? Say their thing before. Okay, you know what? While we're here, let's just play a number game. So we're gonna do count by threes, and we're just gonna go. Just turn on your mic, and you can just say whatever. Okay? So Ekolu.
Ava.
Ima. Umi kumalua.
Kumalua.
Umi kumalima.
Umi kumalima.
Umi kumavalu.
Iwa kalua
kumakahi.
Okay, you know what? I'll call your name.
Counting is hard and then translating. Okay.
Let's go by twos. Okay, so Elua, Erika,
Eha.
Kanani.
Wait, what are we counting by?
Twos.
Oh, kalamai. No.
No, Kapua. Kahiel.
Umi.
Yep, Kapo. Huh?
I'm sorry, 22.
Okay, Le'a, I think we're at 14 now.
Umi kumaha.
Renee.
Umi kumaono.
Emilia.
Umi kumavalu.
Okay, Lorna.
Kanalua. Oh, wait.
Close. Eva.
Iba kalua.
Lena Ala.
Iwa kalua kumalua.
Mililani.
Omidi.
24.
Yeah.
Iwa kalua kumaha. Akiko. 26.
Iwa kalua kumaono.
Yep. Kehaolani.
Umi kumalua. Wait, start again. Iwa kalua. Kalamai. Iwa kalua kuma. Ono? Valu.
Sure. Yay! And Chase. Yeah, Valu, I think that's right. And Chase, I think it's 30. Yeah, yeehaw. Okay, that was hard. You want to try fives? Okay. Elima. Erika.
Umi.
Kanani.
Umi kumalima.
Kapua.
Kalua.
Kahiel.
Iwa kalua kumalima.
Po. 30. Le'a. Renee.
Kalama heaha kahelu.
40.
Kanaha.
Emilia.
Kanaha kuma lima.
Lorna.
Kanalima.
Lena Ala.
Kanalima kumalima.
Mililani. We got 60.
Oh. Kanaono.
Yep. Kehaolani.
Kana ono kuma lima.
Chase. And Akiko.
What's number?
70, 75.
Kanahiku kuma lima.
Yeah, that was easier.
Haʻilima.
Yeah, I think we're good for today. I'll see you guys next class. Mahalo.
Hello.
Thank you, everyone.
Hello.
Ahuiho.
Hello, malamapono.
Love it.
Me too.
Me too. Bye, Keolani.
Aloha.
Aloha.
Bye, Auntie Mililani.
Bye, Auntie Mililani. Bye.
Bye. Bye, Hannah.
You have a question, Linala? No, you just did. Okay.
No, I was just having trouble moving my mouth.
Oh, no, it looked like you had questions. I was like, okay.
No, I was like, what is happening? Sorry.
Bye, Chase.